Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss some important short type questions of ethics and values for semester 1 examination. First of all, I would like to thank you all my viewers that for your love and support. Channel has reached 1000 subscribers. So many thanks to you all. ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି। ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କିଛି ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଶବ୍ଦର ଅର୍ଥ ଜାଣିବା। Question number 1. Mention some desirable gender related values. Answer is some desirable gender related values are gender justice, gender equality, dignity of women, eradication of discrimination on the ground of sex, respecting and honoring the human rights of women, recognizing and appreciating the contributions of women, developing compassion, care and respect for women, social and economic inclusions of women. Question number 2. What do you mean by child marriage? Answer is child marriage generally refers to marriage of a girl before the age of 18. Child marriage is a common practice in India. Girls are more vulnerable to this practice. The main reasons of child marriage are gender inequality, poverty, social norms, and insecurity. Child marriage violates children's right to education and health. It exposes them to high risk of violence, exploitation, and abuse. Child marriage affects both girls and boys, but it affects girls very badly. Child marriage is a form of forced marriage. Question number 3. What do you mean by domestic violence? Violence that women experience at home. Most often, it is committed by their intimate partners. Domestic violence has many forms such as sexual, physical, or psychological. Countries with less gender equality have higher rates of domestic violence. Question number 4. What is FGM? Answer is female genital mutilation. It is usually practiced in India by some Islamic groups. When a girl is 7 years old, the clitoral hood is totally or partially removed. It is also known as khatna or khabs in the Muslim Bohra community. The United Nations has declared FGM as a human rights violation. Question number 5. What do you mean by eve-teasing? Answer is sexual harassment of people through verbal abuse is defined as eve-teasing. It includes lewd gestures, winking, whistling, touching inappropriately, passing comments, singing obscene songs, etc. It is a common form of public violence against women in India. Question number 6. What is stalking? Stalking is unwanted or repeated surveillance by anybody. Stalking of girls or women by men consists of contacting or following a woman despite clear indication of disinterest by women, monitoring her use of the mobile, internet or electronic communication, using mobile phones and computers to send sexually colored remarks to girls is quite common now. This is considered cyber crime. Question number 7. Write a note on witchcraft induced murder. Answer is, there are some people who still believe in witchcraft, which has no basis in fact or rationality. Lack of education, ignorance, traditional beliefs account for people's faith in witchcraft. This leads them to murder the person alleged to be practicing witchcraft. Men normally brand women as Dakans, Dahani. Deep-rooted superstitions and systems built on prejudices and particularly lead men to put the blame on women. In our state, Odisha, Sundargarh, Jajpur, Mahirabhanj districts where women have killed due to witchcraft. Question number 8. What do you mean by acid throwing? Answer is, acid throwing is a violent assault on women. Aggressive men throw acid on women or girls' face or onto their body. Men do this with the intention of disfiguring them, inflicting physical pain on them, or killing them. The acid burns women and damages their skin tissues. Acid attack leads to dissolving of the bones and permanent blindness. An acid attack changes the entire life of the woman. Question number 9. What is body shaming? It is the practice of passing humiliating remarks on the shape or size of another person's body. It is a form of bullying that can result in severe emotional trauma. Body shaming is done by siblings, friends, enemies, and often in media. Men and women, boys and girls experience body shaming. Question number 10. Write a short note on sex trafficking. Answer is, sex trafficking is the largest growing commercial enterprise carried out in many nations. Women are taken and are sold off. They are used to mint money for some people who manage to keep them in a state of slavery. Force, fraud, and false promises are used to capture girls and women for commercial use.